Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, we have an opening from Capgemini to discuss in this video. So, watch till the very end to know about all the eligibility criteria. So, without any problems or without any confusions, you can apply it and get your job done. Okay, so let's discuss everything in detail regarding all the things. So, the deadline is about to happen soon. So, soon after you watch this video, make sure you apply to that same. Okay, so before getting into that, I have something to introduce. We have a course for the TCS NQT comprehensive interview, the interview materials. That is for all the streams, for all the students from 2020, 2021, and 2022. The interview materials, what are the interview questions, then HR, everything will be there. So one thing that I can assure you is that we have immense students who have taken the course for TCS for aptitude and for interview, and we have collected the questions from them directly, and also the probable questions, everything is included in that. So if you could prepare this material, complete material list, then this will help you a lot. Okay, you can expect this, you can expect those questions a lot. Okay, so this is limited time offer, guys. So 249 is a price that is available right now. It was for 499 according to the demand, and the reduction request we have been reduced till now. So it is in PDF format, and you can access it through mobile phones, laptop, whatever things in smartphones. So you can see here, uh, technical round, HR round, MR, all aspects, all questions will be there. So this will be applicable for all the TCS related. And Pratik sir is one of an ex-employee in data organization too, so he'll be having a perfect idea, and that experience have completely helped in making this. Okay, so validity of this is 6 months, so throughout 6 months you will be able to access this document. So guys, I'll leave the link in the description. You can get it from there and apply it, and get the course done and do it with it. Okay, so now moving on with the Capgemini. So here it's a full-time opportunity available. It's pan India, like location is not specified. It means that wherever location it will be, you can be recruited into any of the Capgemini locations available. And the application deadline is 10th of October. Please keep in mind it's 10th of October, so don't postpone it. Okay, now the job function is engineering, web or software. Then CTC available is this 3 lakhs per annum is what they are offering. And now coming to the eligibility criteria to apply. So this is very important. Go through everything. I'll explain as well. So watch it. Okay, so you must be a 2021 graduated in 2021 itself. That is, there are some students who do have the backlogs, and after completing the backlogs, they will be passing out in 2021. So those kind of students are not eligible here. Those who are meant to complete their graduation in 2021, as well as who have completed in the graduation is 2021. That's it's for them, and should have 50 percentage and above in diploma, that is their graduation, 7 semesters, agreed in the 7 semesters, and MCA 5 semester, MA and MTech. That is, you're basically the engineering background. It can be BTech, it can be MTech, ME, BE, MCA is okay here. And diploma students, if you're a +2 or whatever diploma students, 50 percentage above. And graduation too, you have to take all the subjects from all the semesters till 7, because there are some universities, wherein 2021 students haven't received their final semester results. So in that case, you can neglect, or else you just have to do it a complete semester. Okay, so if you have the 8 semester marks with you, add that and check whether it's 50 percentage above. If not, you can take up to 7 semesters. Okay, and one thing is, you must be a 2021 graduate. Okay, now, and also if you have any backlogs, then at the end you will be getting disqualified. So make sure that your effort is not getting wasted. So no percentage criteria for SSC and HSC, only the graduation, diploma, whatever, those percentage criteria is this. And qualification is MCA, BE, BTech, open for all branches for both BE and BTech. And ME and MTech students must be only from information technology, information science, and computer science. So here what they mean is, MCA, BE, BTech students can be from any of the branches. Any branch is fine. And if you're ME or MTech student, then you belong to computer science related branches. Okay, and must possess excellent written and spoken communication skill, must be open to relocate to any Capgemini location, work across technology domain role, should be ready to work in shifts if required, right? Then open to sign a service agreement. You should not have more than 1 year of academic gap. Then yeah, in any of this, then should have in any gap within academic milestone, the milestone academic considered as 10th, 12th, diploma, degree, post graduation, anything. That is, if your graduation is 4 years, then you should complete it with 4 years itself. You should not take 5 years to complete that. That's what they mean. Okay. Now, in case a candidate has appeared for 12th more than once, candidature will be considered provided both the mark sheets are available and academic score greater than 50% in both the attempts. Okay, there are some conditions where some students can apply or attempt for the 12th examination 2 times. So both of the exam marks must be greater than 50%. And candidate should not only have and not have any backlog at the time of appearing for the process. Only shortlisted candidate will be invited for the test or selection process. Entire selection process from the test to interview will be done in virtual mode. Candidate will be responsible for arranging required infrastructure for appearing for the selection process. That is, once you apply, only selected candidates, by taking consideration of your mark and everything, you will be getting selected. Okay. After that, it goes on like that. Okay. So this is it. Post registration in the tool, you need to apply for the job profile to participate in the event. So here you have to apply first if you have not applied to it earlier. And after that, you have to go with the same. Okay, then I have to apply for this particular opening. So I'll show you now the registration process, how you have to take care of that. So this is a registration page, I can say. Here, after registration only, you can get into the complete, steps to, apply for the job. Okay. So first it starts with basic details. So full name, your date of birth, your primary details, everything you have to give. Okay, so this is the first stage of doing it. After that, you have the contact details. So here you have to fill your contact details, in the sense you have to give your address. Okay, that is address, then all the contact number and everything. After that, there is a section for current and most recent education. That is your degree details. If you're a postgraduate, you have field for that. If you're a normal UG graduate, then you have field for that. So whatever it is, you can add, and the remaining part you can just leave as it is if you've not done that education. Next comes a previous education. That is 10th, 12th. If you have taken a diploma after 10th, that things. Okay, so keep in mind all the steps that they have mentioned. If you have attended like 2 times 12th, then you have to take to consideration both of them. So similarly, you have to give it. Okay, select your institution, select your, the board of examination, then your marks, everything you have to give it. Next is internships and work experience. So fill up your past experience and internship. So you might have gone for some internship, then you can go for that. And this is 2021 freshers opening, so experience criteria is not required. You can completely leave that. And after that, profile photo and documents. So documents, in the sense, you have to give your resume, then your profile photo. Go for the profile photo which is having the plain background. Passport size photo is well recommended. So whenever you take passport size photo, it can be of any background, like blue backgrounds are common. So try to go with the plain white background, that helps. Okay, so that's it. After that, all done. If you just click on this apply button at the end, then you will be getting registered, and after that you will be applying to this particular opening. Okay, so there you can see at the end you have applied for the Capgemini. So until that comes, you have to keep on applying. Okay, so that's the registration process. So I think registration process doesn't require much of the explanation. You are well aware of that, but still don't make any mistake, just apply it at the earliest. Okay, so this is about the opening available at Capgemini. So here you have to go through all of the registration process. Okay, as I've mentioned, and the superset registration process is not very new to us. We have applied like Cognizant, Capgemini, and Accenture at times. So most of the companies do take the application through superset. So if you have already like a profile under superset, you can use the same profile to apply for this as well. And if you're very new to that, you can just go through all these steps for the registration and then apply to it. Okay, so first you have to register, then apply with that. Okay, so this is the steps that you have to take care of. Once you apply, all the details regarding the things you will receive through mail, and after that you can proceed with the selection process. Okay, So I think all the things that I've discussed in this video is pretty much clear to you. If you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and as well as suggestions regarding the video content, well welcomed in the comment section. So until I come up, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.